I got these fresh eyes, never seen you before like this. My God, you're beautiful. It's like the first time when we opened the door for we got used to usual. It might seem superficial, stereotypical man. You dress up just a little and I'm like, oh damn. So suddenly I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine. Now all I see is you with fresh eyes, fresh eyes. So suddenly I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine, yeah. And now all I see is you with fresh eyes, fresh eyes. Appreciation.
Claud, do you take James, your present, for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
James, do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Maybe all of this is simple. My heart's unconditional, yeah. You dress up just a little and I'm like, oh damn. So suddenly I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine. Now all I see is you with fresh eyes, fresh eyes. So suddenly I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine, yeah. And now all I see is you with fresh eyes, fresh eyes. If I could bottle this up, bottle